I had a chance to work on an interesting project where I created many of their figurines. The figurines are based from a very popular board game, Dungeons and Dragons. I don't really know a lot about D&D and I don't really understand their fractions, but I was tasked to do a tentacly looking guy. If you've been following me for a while, you probably know that I'm not actually a monster creating artist. I usually do humans and mainly females. But nonetheless, I had a lot of fun working on this project, and I think figurines turn out looking pretty amazing. So if you are even a little bit interested in this project, you can press the first link in my description and you will get into the Kickstarter where you can see what I was working on. The Kickstarter itself will only be active for 14 more days, which is pretty close to the Christmas Eve. I hope you liked what you saw in this video, and see you in the next one.